Some people think that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis, but this is not true. That pop sound is just gas bubbles in your joint, not your bones exploding. Studies show no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis, no matter how annoying your habits are. The only pain involved is what others feel listening to it during math class. This myth likely came from annoyed parents who just wanted you to stop before they lost their minds. In truth, it's harmless, unless you're doing it every 5 seconds like a fidget toy. So feel free to crack away, just maybe not during a funeral. Arthritis comes from other causes, not your weird finger hobby. Subscribe to Unlearn Dumb Stuff Weekly.